Alright, let's run through another gas puzzle. This one's called Renban Sudoku by Clover. Relatively straightforward digits here, or rule set here. It's a normal Sudoku rules apply, so the digits 1 through 9 have to appear in every row, every column, and every 3x3 box. And then each line contains a set of consecutive digits in any order. So these pink lines, looks like every single one in the puzzle is 3 digits long. So it could be like 4, 2, 3 is the example they gave, or 7, 9, 8. So 7, 8, 9 would be consecutive digits, but they can appear in any order. They don't have to be consecutive on the line as long as 3 consecutive digits are appearing. So let's see what we got here. Okay. I'm thinking maybe the ones that have like a bunch in one box might come into play pretty quickly. So 4, 5, 6 is interesting because this has to either be 1, 2, 3 or 7, 8, 9. I feel like we can probably figure out what this is. So the 1 sees 2 of the digits. The 8 sees 2 of the digits. So if it's 1, 2, 3, the 1 has to go here. If it's 7, 8, 9, the 8 has to go here, but that's not proving anything yet. 7 would have to go here, and then 9 would have to go here if it's 7, 8, 9, because the 7 is looking here. This would have to be the 8. So I guess that's interesting. I might actually, so this is either 7, 8, 9. So 8, this would be the 7, this would be the 9. That would be forced if this was 7, 8, 9 because of the way that, so 8 takes away 2 of them, so 8 would have to go here, and then 7 can't go here, so it would have to go here, and then 9 would have to go here if it's 7, 8, 9. I think probably something similar is happening if it's 1, 2, 3. So the 1 is looking here, so this could be a 1. And then 3 is looking here, so this would have to be the 3, and then this would be the 2. So each one of these squares only has 2 options currently. Wait a second, where does 1 go in this box? It can only go here. That's the only place that 1 can go. Okay, so this is a 1, forcing this to be 1, 2, 3. So this is a 2 then. This is a 3. 7, 8, 9 are going to go in these. This is going to be a 9 because the 9's looking here. 7's going to go here. 8's going to go here. We have an entire box filled out. There's something very similar, looks like, happening in this box down here. So hopefully we can keep this rolling. Okay, so 1 was forced in here. 2 is going to be forced down here because there's a 2 looking here, 2 looking here, 2 looking here. So 2 goes here. This is another 1, 2, 3 Renban. 3 goes here. 1 goes here. Now we have 7, 8, 9 down here. 8 can't go here, so 8 goes here. 7 is going to go here. And we have our corner boxes there. Are these interesting at all? Maybe. 4, 5, 6, or 7. So that's the only possibility for here. So 5 has to be on the line, right? So 4, 5, 6, 7. So because it can't be 1, 2, it can't be 1, 2 because 3 is right here. So if these are 3 consecutive digits, it has to be bigger than 3 and less than 8. And that leaves 4 digits. 4, 5, 6, and 7. There's a 5 looking here. No matter what digits we use, whether it's 4, 5, 6 or 5, 6, 7, this line is going to have a 5 on it. So the 5's looking here. The 5 in this box is absolutely going to have to go here. And then there's also going to have to be a 6 on the line. Okay, so there's a 6 looking here. There's a 6 here. Because those are the middle 2 numbers. We need 3 consecutives between 4 and 7. So it's either going to be 4, 5, 6 or 5, 6, 7, and either way we need a 5 and a 6. So this number is either a 4 or a 7, and we still don't know that yet, it looks like, because neither of those numbers are looking at this, so we'll mark that down. 4 or 7. The 1 in this box has to go here. So this is 2, 4, 7. There's a 7 here, so the 7 goes here. So this is a 7. 4 and a 2. 2's looking there. There's a 2 here. 4 is going to go here. Perfect. Really destroying the corners right now. All right, so the seven's an interesting number to have this Renban line in because 8 and 9 aren't going to work. So this time it's going to be the numbers 3 to 6. So 3 through 6 could go on this. There's a 3 here, but there doesn't have to be a 3. There does have to be a 5 again though. And this number absolutely has to be 5. And since a 3 can't go here, it's gonna have to be 5. It's gonna have to be 4, 5, 6 that go on this line. There's a 6 here, so this is gonna be a 6. This is gonna be a 4. What else is going on? All right, so the numbers we have left in this box are 3, 8, and 9. There's a 9 looking here, so there's a 9 here. 8 goes here. 3 goes here. Awesome. Ton of progress. Oh, that's 3 in the corner. That's 3 in the spotlight. Very cool. All right, so only 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4. One of them is a 4. The other one is a 6. 4 and 6. Interesting. Okay, so these Renbans don't seem particularly restricted to me. Okay, so 2 of these numbers have to be basically consecutive, at least at most 1 apart. So the 1, there needs to be a 1 in this column. I think that has to go here because it couldn't be on this line because 2 and 3 are right here. So we wouldn't be able to put another number on this line. So this is going to be a 1. And then we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, 8. So this is going to have to be 7, 8. These 2 numbers are going to have to be 7 and 8. Which makes this number either a 9 or a 6. And either of those are possible, I think. So we have a 7, 8 pair here. These have to be 3 consecutive digits. So they're somewhere between 3 and 6, it would appear. Okay, so what numbers are left in the column? Because one of those numbers is going to have to go on the line. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 6. No, wait, that's too many numbers. 3 and 6 are left in the column. 3 and 6. All right, I'll just jot that down, I guess. I'm not sure how to settle that yet. I think the question is, could this be 3 and 6? So what are these 2 numbers going to be? Probably 4 and 5, right? I think they have to be 4 and 5, and that would work either way with the 3 and the 6. So 1, 2, in this column we have 1, 2, 3. Then we need 4, 5, and 9. So this is going to be a 9 because 9 is not going to be able to go on this line. So this is a 9. And these are 4 and 5. And I'm not going to be able to determine how that goes yet. Okay, interesting. Okay, what else is going on here? We definitely have a lot of 1s. So one of these 2 has to be a 1. These 2 cells right here, and this one's either a 6 or a 9 already, so this is a 1. Is that all the 1s in the puzzle? Not quite. We need 1 in this box, so that's going to go here. Okay, now we're done with 1s, and we only have 2 numbers left in this row, and they have to be on a Renban line. So is it 4, 5 again? Looking like 4, 5. Nope, there's a 5 here. 1, 2, so it's 3, 4. So these are 3 and 4, making this either a 2 or a 5. There's a 2 here, so this has to be a 5. 5, 5, 5. This is a 5, which limits these. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 all here. So this is going to go up from here. This is a 6, 7 pair on that line because we need consecutive numbers. Going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 7, 8, and 9. There's a 9 here. So one of these 2 is going to be a 9. It's worth noting, I guess. 7, 8, and 9 here. Yeah, we have no idea where 7 and 8 are going in these rows yet. So 7, 8. So this is either a 9 or a 6, probably. 7, 8, 9. I guess it could be a 7 or an 8 too. Okay, so don't really know about that yet. All right, so 1, 2, 3. We need a 4, 4, and a 6. Did I say that before? 4, 6 pair there. And then, so if this was a 4, this could go 2, 3. If this was a 6, I don't think 6 works here. Because if this was if this number was a 6, we would need, yeah, so there's a 7 here, so there can't be a 7 on this line, and it couldn't go 5, 4 because there's a 4. So there could be a 5, but there can't be a 4 or a 7. So this can't be 6. So this number is going to be 6. This number is going to be 4. This is going to go down, I think, or it could be 5, 3, or 3, 2. But these numbers are from 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. And this can't be a 2. And oh, I put a 6 here, so this is a 9. And this is a 3, and this is a 6, and this is a 9. Awesome. Figuring some stuff out here. All right, so now now this is a 7, 8 pair, and this is either a 7 or an 8. This number probably could be any of these, right? 2, 3, 5. There's a 3 here, so this is either a 2 or a 5. Okay, one number left in the row here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 numbers left in this box and this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 7, 8, 9. There's a 9 here, so one of these has to be a 9. Okay, this is decided. So this is a 7. This is a 6. So that's going to put a 7 in one of these, and then we have an 8 in this box. Because these were 7, 8, 9, and we have a 7 looking here. So this one's going to be an 8 now because these two have to be 7 and 9. That's a 7, 9 pair. Putting an 8 there. Awesome. All right, only one. We have one number left in both of these rows. 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What are these 3 numbers? 2, 4, and 9. Oh, okay, we have some decision down here. 4, 3, 2, 4, and 9, I said these were. So one of these is a 4. One of these is a 9. And then, okay, and then, okay. One of these is a 2. Alright, so unfortunately no pairs there. Okay. This is decided as a 7. This is an 8. This is a 7. This is a 9. This is a 7. This is a 9. Yeah, there we go. 2, 4. Almost done with this thing. 8, 7. Alright, this has to be either a 2, 5, or a 4. There's a 2 here, so this is either a 4 or a 5. I'll take note of that, I guess. Alright, 2, 3, 5 left in this column. This can't be a 2. Oh, only 2 numbers left in this column. We'll get, alright, so just 2 and 3. And we have a 2 here, so there's a 2 here. Alright, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5, 4. What number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these are 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 5. This is an 8. There it is. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.